Hello, welcome to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Today is a Sunday and I think it's a nice day for a video. It's not too hot out and it's not too warm out either. We got a lot of rain here in New York. I don't know what you have. But anyways, I've been working on a bird kit for probably 2 months and I finally got it finished. And I wanted to do something with the kit to show you what I've done and what the kit looks like when you make it up. And Kara Renee over at B.Reborn Art Healing did a folio with 4 envelopes. And that's what I decided I would do too, because it just, I'm sorry I gotta mess with this camera, always. It just was easy. It looked easy anyways. It was a little bit time consuming, but I get consumed by all of my projects. You probably do too. And I also use big envelopes. So there's only 4 envelopes. I will leave a link in the description below to her video so you can see what it looks like without all the fluff, because I put a lot of extra decorations and everything. So I will show you that. And it's a really neat, it could be an ephemera holder, it can be a folio, and I also added a journal inside, so I'm going to show you that. So I'll start with this. Here's a couple of tags that are in the kit, and this is a big journal card that you have them this way and this way in the kit, because these are smaller than these. I made sideways ones so that if you wanted to use them for a pocket, you could. So the front here is a pocket, and then this is the smaller one, and I put Love Nest here. I just decorated it. It actually, you know, you just get the card and you have to add the decorations. And this is a set of the, is that stupid camera doing it again? It just keeps drifting on me. Oh, I don't know what to do. I had my husband monkey with it the other day, and I shouldn't have, because now I haven't been able to do anything with it since. Okay, and I made a tassel bird. I don't know if you remember me showing you how to make birds out of felt, but I had made these before, and I will leave a link to the video to that in case you're interested in doing something like that. And then I did put a lot of birdie quotes in the kit, and this one says happy birthday. Now I don't know if it's anybody's birthday, but you never know. People that love birds, give them a bird card, happy birthday. So there you go, whether it's your birthday or not. And every birdie welcome. So that's part of the kit. So let's just open this up, and let me put these back in here, the front pocket. There's lots of pockets in this, and I hope that you're gonna, oh jeez, okay. Okay, I think I got it back together. I don't know, I bought brand new hardware for it to make it tighter so it won't fall on me, and it still does it. Okay, but regardless, here is the first page, and here I've got an envelope. Okay, these are 4 envelopes. And they open like this, and I just think they're so cool. You have pockets all over, and I've decorated, and in the middle, see, this closes like that. I put a little journal here with some coffee dyed paper, but look at all the room you have if you make one of these. And these are all in my bird kit. These are envelopes that are in there. I think birds should be singing, so I put music on their envelopes. And these are everything in here is in the bird kit. There's a lot to this kit. I did a lot of shapes, I did a lot of tags, I did a lot of sizes. I had fun doing this, but it took me forever, okay? When you do stuff like that, it takes forever, but I enjoyed it. Journaling card, more tags. I did different shape tags. This birdhouse, and here is the journal. I just stuck this in the middle where these were joined together. These are not joined together here. It's just 2 envelopes, you know, glued, the flaps glued together, And then a binding, I used Tyvek, and I also used felt, a binding, and to put them together, the two together, and then these are already together. So here's the journal. Let's see. And these are in the kit. I love these little side ticket birdies. And this is a tuck spot. Let me see. Let's put there's a tuck spot there. And then I also added a few of different size papers. And these are in the bird kit. Kind of a scalloped edge, and I just put some lace underneath. It says, "Let's fly away." And you can write a little note on the back. You got plenty of journaling room. This is not for sale yet. It will be, but it's not finished. And then I put a bag in here, and I decorated it. These heart birds are in the kit. And here's some tags, more tags that are in the kit. And I put them in the bag. And then over here, I have more little birdie tickets, and I added applique, and this opens up. Here's a couple of tags that are included, and these are felt birds that I make, and I'll leave a link below, and I made them into paper clips. The back, I could make them felt on the back, but then they become really, really thick. And you know, when you want to close the journal, it's usually thick enough. You don't have to add more. But I have a video on how to make them. They're very, very fun, and they add a lot to your if you're doing birds, to your journals. And this is another page. This was just a pink piece of paper that I had, and I cut it, and I wanted to put it in the journal. And then here we have some more. Here's the Happy Bird Day, and here's some more tags that are in the kit. These are my favorite colors to work with, so the kit is loaded with them. And more paper. And then here is another tag, or this is actually a journal card that's included in the kit. And Tweety Pie that I put in there. And some more tags that are included in the kit. And this is the other side of the bag. And you're probably wondering, how did I get 2 bags out of one? I'll show you a little secret here. See, they both have, I glued them together. Big secret, right? Everybody can do it. And then I hid them. I hid the extra, like the lap, the hangover, glue over, whatever, the flap that went over to connect these, I hid them with the lace. So you'd never know that I had done that. And it makes for a very nice effect. You got 2 bags. And then here's some more cute little birds with some lace. And then this is a heart that comes, and this says his eye is on the sparrow. And this is a pocket. And here's some journaling cards that go in the kit, that come in the kit. And then that's it. And I really love the dark greens. And I did a round tag. I think I showed you that already. Okay, so there's more tags up here. I did a lot of tags. And I did a lot of journaling cards. Now the papers, I actually don't have the papers. I have 5x7 papers that are pages. I did 5x7, and then I added 8.5x11 checks and dots and some paper that matches, that I made to match with everything. So it's full. It's a full kit. So then when you bring this down, I'm going to pull this over, and you bring these down, you have more. This is the second envelope. I put an envelope. I made my own envelope here. And this says my Tweetheart. And that's in the quotes. And then I Velcroed this envelope shut. And I put lace on it. And I don't have anything in it right now. I'm not done decorating this. That's why it's not up for sale. I will be done soon. And then this is the other envelope. And it's the same thing. I Velcroed it. Added lace, and it says, "A little birdie told me." I don't know what it told him, but you better be careful. I did a lot of round, not a lot, I did a few round, 3-inch round birdie circles. I like decorating with them, and then I have a 3.5-inch scallop punch that I can punch and center it and decorate behind with that. So that is the whole enchilada. It's the whole kit, and I hope you will go check it out in my Etsy shop. It was fun working with all of this. I could go on forever. I'm telling you, it's just a lot of fun, and I just thought this was a great little way. 4 envelopes. My envelopes are big. They're 8 by 6. So all I have is 4 of them. They're hooked together in the flaps here, and I've also got Tyvek behind them, so they're very sturdy. I have Tyvek in the binding, and then I added my own journal, and then you close it up. Now on the back, I have another pocket, but I didn't decorate it because, I mean, mostly the journal will be on its, resting on its back. So why put lace and all kinds of stuff back there? But there's more room for tags or notes, whatever somebody wants to put in there. So that's a quickie, but that's all I have for today. And I also want to remind you, let me show you some of these. I wanted to show you, okay, here's some journal cards that are sideways that I use for the pockets. And this one is not this big. I reduced them, but just so you can see what they look like. And here's some of the shaped tags. I have little ones. I have fancy shaped ones. I have hearts, and then I have tickets and scallops. So, and these are the envelopes. Now, on my computer, they're green. The envelopes are green, but when I print them out, they're more like blue. So your printer might do the same thing. So don't get upset. That's just the way printers and computers work, and there's not much we can do about it. I do want to remind you of the challenge that I have going on, and I will be doing a drawing on May 6th for all this pretty lace. And there's a whole box of it. It won't come in this box because I'm going to keep this box for future giveaways. It will come in an envelope, but there is a lot there. Join my Facebook group if you want to see about that challenge and maybe win. And also, I do free patterns in my Facebook group, and I do a Friday giveaways for graphics. So if you're interested in that, and all those links will be below in my description. And check out my Etsy shop for the new bird kit and see what you can make with it, because it's a lot of fun. It really is a lot of fun. Oh, and here's another birdie tassel. I was going to put 2 on there because there's a lot of 2s in my kit, but it didn't look good. It wasn't enough. So anyways, okay, so that's it from me. Thank you for stopping by, and I hope you go check out this bird kit, and I hope you'll come to my Facebook group and join us in the challenge and for the things that we have going on there. And I'll see you in the next video.